Hello dear friends, welcome to Tech channel. In this video, I show how to unblock someone from comment block on Instagram. So stay with me until the end of the video. Subscribe to the channel and activate the bell. Step 1. Open an Instagram account. Click your profile account and click setting and activity and click comment option. Okay. After click block comments. Any new comment from people you block it want to visible to anyone but them. Okay, I click block comments. So here you can see the blocked IDs. Select the unblock option for your personal opinion. Okay, for example, unblock the graphical. Yes, unblock, 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 unblock. Very easy. And my people, 0 people. Okay. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Tech on Tech.